plus the conclusion. And I knew, and I'm sorry, but I arranged this. Teresa, you want to come up and help me? No, I'm not. Teresa's the one that had the 6 pieces of assessment and the silver dollar from 1990. She had it in a sealed envelope. And so I'm going to have her come help me, okay? So let's give Teresa a big round of applause. So, what are you doing right now, Teresa?
Electrical engineer with Mitsubishi.
Okay? So, that STEM aspect, you've got to try to get as many students into STEM aspects, right? So what I'm going to do is, let's go over here, if you don't mind, Teresa. Sorry. I've got a deck of cards. Does it look like an ordinary deck?
It does look like an ordinary deck.
Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip through here and you're going to tell me some place to stop. And you tell me some place to stop anywhere you want. Right there? Here, take a look at that top card. Don't show me. If you want to just put it on the camera. I'm not looking. You all see it? Is it off away from the camera now, Teresa? Okay. I'm not going to see it, but she's going to show my friend, Willie the wire. Say hi to Willie, everyone. Okay. So, you got the card? So show the card to Willie. Oops, his head. Okay, there. So show his head. Got it? Did Willie see it? Okay, Willie, tell me the card. Did you influence Willie? Okay, I'm going to leave Willie there. I'm going to have to force this out of Willie, okay? We're going to fry Willie. What did you say? I have had students when I do this say, free Willie. Okay, yeah, so, but don't worry, folks. This demonstration has been approved by the SPCA, the Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Alloys. So Willie will not be harmed in this effect. What are you laughing at? So what I'm going to do is hook this to one end of Willie. And I'm going to hook this to the other end of Willie. Last chance, Willie. Okay. Huh. That's it, huh? No. What? Okay, let me go over here. First off, this is an ordinary deck. As a magician, I did a magician's force. I'm not going to show you how to do that. You can look that up. But I forced that 7 of hearts on here, and I knew this wire was annealed into that particular shape. This is a wire with an actual memory. I'm not being make up anything on that. This is the truth. It's got a memory. It's a solid to solid phase change. 2 crystalline structures. That at one temperature it's going to be this way, at another temperature it's going to change. And so it is formed in there. And once I flatten it out and then heat it up with the ohmic heating from the battery, it gets it up to that new crystalline temperature change and changes it to the other crystalline shape, which has been forced into that particular shape. And so this is called nitinol, or nickel and titanium mixture. And it's from the Nickel Titanium Naval Ordnance Laboratory. So where in the world would you use this? Well, I've got other aspects, once again, showing that relevance. Institute of Chemical Education has one that does ice. I bought this on eBay. I heart you. Now that's saying, oh, real practical, Jeff. Yeah. How about some wire glass frames? They're made of the same substance where they can flex and restore to its crystalline structure. Most students have seen this if they've got braces, because the braces are made of the same material, and the hot or the heat of the mouth is going to help that shape. Or they might do this with like arm surgery, rotator cuff, and they use this nickel titanium mixture in all kinds of avenues. But once you've got the interest, you can have some students that will be interested and maybe want to learn more, but I'll have some students that really want to look at the austenite and martensite crystalline phase change, okay? So there's all kinds of things you can do, but folks, tonight we've just spent some time looking at some hopefully interesting things that you could maybe use in your chemistry classroom.